About metallocene. What is metallocene? Metallocene is a compound consisting of two cyclopentadienyl anions that are represented as Cp. Dinyl anions C5H5 minus C5H5 minus, and these two cyclopentadienyl anions bound to a central metal in which is having the oxidation state 2. So therefore the general formula of metallocene is C5H5 twice M. These are closely related to metallocene and are the derivatives. Uh, Examples are titanosin dichloride, vanadocene dichloride. Certain metallocenes and their derivatives exhibit catalytic properties, and these are rarely used in industrial. This is the structure of metallocene. These metallocenes are also called sandwich compounds. In this structure shown at right, in this structure, two pentagons or cyclopentadienyl anions inside having the structure indicate that are aromatically stabilized, and these two are in staggered conformation. These metallocenes can be explained by using ferrocene. What is ferrocene? Ferrocene is an organometallic compound with the molecular formula FeC5H5 twice minus. This molecule consists of two cyclopentadienyl rings bound on opposite sides of the central iron atom. Iron atom is placed in the middle, and these two cyclopenta rings are on opposite sides. It is an orange color solid having the order like camphor, and it sublimes above room temperature. It is soluble in most organic solvents. It is remarkable for its stability, and it is unaffected by air, water, strong bases, and can be heated to 400 degrees centigrade without decomposition. In oxidizing conditions, it can be react with strong acid to form a ferrocenium ion, that is C5H5 twice 2 plus. This is the structure of ferrocene. Ferrocene having ferrocene in ferrocene, iron is placed in the middle. These two cyclopentadiene rings are opposite to each other. In these two cyclopentadienyl rings, inside having circles. These circles indicate that they are aromatically stabilized. This is the 3D representation of ferrocene. It is also the representation of ferrocene. This is the color of the solid ferrocene. Orange color solid. Structure and bonding by using Mossbauer spectroscopy indicates that iron center in ferrocene should be assigned the +2 oxidation state. In this in ferrocene, each cyclopentadienyl ring having 6 pi electrons. Each cyclopentadienyl ring having a single negative charge in the middle, and this can be described as iron to bis cyclopentadienide, that is represented as Fe2 plus C5H5 twice minus. The number of pi electrons in each cyclopentadienyl ring are 6. These 6, which makes it aromatic according to Huckel's rule. Each cyclopentadienyl ring contains 6 pi electrons. Total 12 pi electrons can be contained in ferrocene. These 12 electrons can be shared to central metal via covalent bonding. Via covalent bond, and iron having 6d electrons. Due to this 6d electrons, it attains 18 electron configuration, which accounts for its stability. In modern notation, it is we are also using sandwich compounds. This ferrocene is also called as sandwich compound, and the carbon carbon distances in each 5-membered ring are 1.40 angstrom, and iron carbon distances are 2.40 angstroms. The room temperature down to 164 Kelvin by using X-ray crystallography yields monoclinic space group. The cyclopentadienide rings are staggered conformation resulting in centrosymmetric molecule. Due to the staggered conformation, it results in centrosymmetric. These symmetries can be explained in general chemistry. And ferrocene crystallizes in an orthorhombic crystal lattice. These cyclopentadienyl rings are eclipsed. This eclipsed position can be studied by using electron diffraction in gas phase. Cyclopentadienyl rings rotate with low barriers. These measurements and substituted derivatives of ferrocene using proton NMR and carbon NMR. For example, methylferrocene exhibit a singlet for C5H5 ring. Using NMR, we are no singlet, triplet, doublet. Synthesis. Synthesis. More efficient methods are generally modified for original transmetallation sequence using either commercially available cyclopentadienide or freshly cracked cyclopentadiene deprotonated with potassium hydroxide and reacts with anhydrous chloride, anhydrous iron chloride in ethereal solvent, and also used Grignard approach. Ferrocene can be synthesized. We are taking a sodium cyclopentadienide. It is treated with ferrous chloride to give ferrocene. Or we are taking freshly prepared cyclopentadienide with iron chloride in, and these two are deprotonated by using potassium hydroxide to give ferrocene, and it is also synthesized by using Grignard reagent. We are taking Grignard reagent like 2C5H5 mgbr plus iron chloride to give ferrocene, and even it is also prepared by using amine bases. Amine bases can be used for deprotonation through reaction proceed more slowly than when we are using strong bases. Amine bases are can also give ferrocene. Cyclopentadiene is treated with diethylamine, and it is these two are treated with iron chloride to form ferrocene, and it is also synthesized by using transmetallation as a manganosine. Iron chloride is treated with manganese cyclopentadienide to form manganese chloride and ferrocene. This is about the synthesis. Properties of ferrocene. Ferrocene is an age-stable orange solid with a camphor-like odor, and it is symmetric. It is having uncharged species. Ferrocene is soluble in normal organic solvents as benzene, but it is insoluble in water. It is stable to temperature of above 400 degrees centigrade. Reactions of ferrocene. Ferrocene undergoes many reactions of aromatic compounds. Characteristics of aromatic compound. Like aromatic compounds, a ferrocene also undergoes many reactions. It can be treated with substituted derivatives. A common reagent is Friedel-Crafts reaction. It is treated with acyl chloride or acetic anhydride or acetyl chloride or phosphoric acid, and it is also treated with Mannich reaction to form NN dimethyl ferrocene. This is the reactions. This is the reactions of ferrocene. These are all the reactions of ferrocene. These are all the reactions of ferrocene. Which makes it aromatic. These are all the reactions of ferrocene. Protonation of ferrocene yellows. These These are all the reactions of ferrocene. This ferrocene is also treated with aluminum chloride and phosphine aluminum chloride to form dichlorophosphine, ferrozinyl dichlorophosphine, whereas it is treated with phenyl dichlorophosphine to form diferrozinyl phenyl phosphine. Ferrocene is also treated with butyl lithium to form a 1,1 dilithioferrocene, which is a versatile nucleophile. Whereas ferrocene is treated with n-butyl lithium to form the reactions like that. Thank you.